Here's an interesting tidbit. In Matthew 6, Jesus gave the model of prayer, what we now know as the Lord's Prayer. And he told his disciples, when you pray, pray in this manner. This concept of prayer, I believe, is more complex than many understand. And I'll explain it this way. Our word prayer is derived from the Greek word proseuchomai. It is really derived from two Greek words, pros and euchomai. I will define them in the inverted order so I can make my point. Euchomai is an earnest plea or a sincere request. Pros actually means to, towards, or near. So then when I pray, I submit my sincere request to someone, towards someone, and near to someone. That means that my prayer has three things. It has destination, it has movement, and it has proximity. So then when I pray, I'm praying to God. I am moving toward him to be in closer proximity so that he can hear and he can respond to my request or my sincere plea. Here's the kicker though. Something very interesting happens as I move towards God with my earnest plea, my sincere requests. There's an exchange that happens where my needs and my desires become less important and what he desires becomes more important to the point that I begin to submit to what he desires, what his will is. There is something about consistently being in close proximity to the Father that I begin to realize my own selfishness, my own vanity, and I begin to submit my will to his will and understand why his will and his plan is more important. It is only from the true model of prayer that we will ever consistently get answers. It is not bringing God my shopping list of things that I need and I desire. It is understanding and submitting to what he has predestined for me to do and to have, where I will consistently receive from him. You let that marinate.